Hey guys, it's your girl Roxy. I'm here again with another short hair transformation. I am giving you guys a ponytail that can be turned into a bun, of course, with some wave sides. To start off with this style, my hair is damp and freshly washed. What I'm doing right now is just sectioning up my hair. I need to make the ponytail on top first, and I'm doing the ponytail first so that it doesn't tug the finger waves, so that it doesn't pull on the finger waves if I was to do the finger waves first. So I'm just parting out where I want my ponytail or how big I want my ponytail. What I like to do is put my hair in a ponytail first, and then I add the gel to my hair after it's been already put into a ponytail. I find that it's easier that way for me, and it's not too slippery to put into a ponytail. The gel that I'm using is African Essence. It's a black gel. You can use any type of gel that you like, any gel that gets your hair slicked into a ponytail. So once my hair is slicked into a ponytail, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my waves. So as you guys know, my new favorite mousse is Nairobi Style and Shine. So I'm just basting my hair with the mousse all over before I start with the right side of my hair. So just like my previous video where I finger waved my entire head, I am just moving the rat tail comb, using a rat tail comb, and just creating as many waves as I can. It's a lot easier to do the sides because I can actually see what I'm doing. And keep in mind, these waves are not perfect. I'm just doing the best that I can, especially as I get to the back. So I'm just making as many S's or C motions as I can. As you can see, once I started the back or the side back, I had to go over it again because it just wasn't how I liked it. So you're just gonna keep waving and just making as many S's or C motions as you can to get the finger waved effect. Keep in mind, it's a DIY. I'm not a professional stylist, so it's not going to come out as good as, but this is the best I can do. So yeah, so same for the other side, just making as many waves as I can. And if you mess up, the good thing is you start over again. You can go over again until you've created the perfect wave. So now that I'm finished the side, I'm going to the back. So I'm doing the same motions. Using the rat tail comb and making as many C's and waves as I possibly can. If I felt like it wasn't as good as I wanted it, I would go over and over again. So what I'm doing is just making waves. And if I don't like it, I will redo it again. So I didn't get this done in one shot. I went back and I was correcting where I thought needed to be corrected. And keep in mind, you can always add as much mousse as you find necessary. So then I just went back to the front just to pull some more, I don't want to call these baby hairs, just some hair. Pull some more hair from the front to to kind of connect with the ones at the side. Makes it look a little bit more cute. And of course, as usual, I am wrapping my hair with my wrap strips, my white wrap strips. So I went and put on some makeup, and this is the dried look before I put on my ponytail. And today for my ponytail, I'm going to be using 18 inches of Yaki human hair. I bought this at my local beauty supply store. Oh, actually I got this from my mom. She got it on sale for about $10. It's 18-inch human hair. And it's Yaki hair, and it's from the brand Janet. So yeah, so any hair will do. You can use curly hair, you can use synthetic hair. So anyway, so I'm starting off, the tracks are doubled. I'm just taking a piece from the track, and I'm just going to take that piece and wrap it around my little bun. So that's gonna just set the foundation for me. So for this ponytail, I won't be using any pins. I will be using a little bit of glue. So I'm just sealing the end of the hair with a little bit of glue. This is not a style that I'll be keeping in for a long time, maybe a couple days. So I don't need it to be as secure. I won't be doing anything too extravagant. If you need more security, you can go ahead and use some bobby pins, or you can sew it in. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just wrapping the tracks around my bun and carrying it forward. So what you'll see as I go around, I'm going to be adding a little bit of glue to the weft each time I go around, each couple times I go around, just to add a little bit of security. So just adding a little bit of glue to the weft, and then continuing to wrap the hair around my ponytail. Now that I'm at the end of my track, I'm just taking another piece, taking one small piece. It's about 2 centimeters wide, and I am going to use that to wrap my ponytail, just to kind of close it off the same way how I did at the beginning. So I'm just wrapping it around. And just to add some cuteness and to hide the wefts at the root, what I'm doing here is braiding a piece of my ponytail. I took a small chunk, not too much. I'm braiding it, and then I will be wrapping it around the base of my ponytail. So you don't have to braid it. You can just take a strip and wrap it around neatly, or you can twist it, or you don't have to put anything at all if you've hidden the tracks properly. But I'm just using the braid, and what I'm going to do is wrap it around and tuck it under. Just for security, you could add a bobby pin to the end of that, but I didn't because I just felt like it wasn't necessary for me. And this is the final look, guys. An easy short hair transformation, finger waves on the side, ponytail on the top. And also if you don't want the hair on your shoulders, or if you want to change it up a bit, you can go ahead and create a cute little bun. So I'll show you guys how I created my bun. I just divided the ponytail into 2 sections, and then I twisted the one part and wrapped it around my bun and tucked it in. And I did the same thing to the other half, but bringing it to the opposite direction. How cute is that? Who says short hair has to be boring? I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, just give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And you can leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye.